Alright, we're going to try to give this a start, but it is very hard to pull. I've adjusted the valves on mine before, and they're very easy to do, except the only hard part is a torque screw in there that's difficult to get out on these particular engines. But the adjustment is intake 0.005 through 007, exhaust 0.007 through 009. Let's see if we can give it a start here. If not, I may have to take this off camera. I've already primed this. See what happens here. This is electric start, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it doesn't work. Okay, boy, it's hard to pull. Let's try this off camera then.